This is a review of the Toffee Art Plus toffee machine. So I've got a special guest with me, and that's Eloise. Which one do you want, Eloise?
A cappuccino.
So you put your cup under there. Blow that down, obviously, that would help. Then select your beverage. So she wants a cappuccino.
I've got 7.
I just allow that up so that you can see it happen. And I'm gonna have to talk over the music because I get a copyright break, won't I, Eloise? Sorry about that, that was just my phone going off as well. And there you go.
Thank you very much.
One
Alex.
delicious cappuccino.